Hello and welcome everybody. As you can tell, the cafe's bathroom has been painted and it looks beautiful. It's way better than that dingy yellow did. And you may notice something different here. Yes, a brand new toilet. Well, the cafe was closed for a bit due to the COVID-19 scare. We've been doing some refurbishing inside, and I have surprised the owner with this brand new toilet. It's a 2020 Mansfield Alto with a black Bemis foam front commercial toilet seat. And it looks sharp. Another thing we replaced here was the door hand lever. We replaced. There used to be a knob, and I still have to pick the one up for here. It would be like a black finish, or I guess oil brass lever just to match with that. Sink's still the same. I believe it might be a Gerber, I don't know. Faucets, although they are Moen, are going to get changed out with a Moen Adler single handle for a bathroom. So let's show you how powerful this toilet is and what a great flush it has. Thumbs up to Made in the USA. This one apparently has a tank liner, so that on days when it's hot, the tank doesn't sweat. Fill valve's been set to a good level. It's the Mansfield wall cock, which has proven to be very reliable, along with the Mansfield flush tower. Signature items. The tank trim. Made in the USA in Perrysville, Ohio. Yup. We have the seat down and we'll give you another flush.